Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about that reference. The before previous section we are discussed the access modifier constants. So what does it mean by reference? The reference provide the alias for previously defined the variable. So declaration of the reference consists of base type on where you are using any one value you want to refer mean we are using the simple is and this is called ampersand. What is the name? Ampersand symbol. Reference variable name is assign the value of previously declared. What is the variable we are declared that will be defined we are using the reference. Refer to that value. So the syntax is a type and reference variable equal original variable. What is the syntax of this reference? Type and reference variable and original variable. So here one program they will explain integer number. So next is the integer ampersand temperature equal to number. So here will be declare the what is the reference we are declare temp and number equal to 100. So the value of number equal to number, the value of temperature equal to temp. So here what is the output will come? The value of number we are getting the value output is what is the getting for 100. So they are getting the output 100. So the value of temp we are reference reference in the same value number. So there also we getting the output is the 100. Next is the formatting output. Formatting output is very important in the development of the output screen of the easy reading and understanding. So manipulators are used to format the output of any C++ program. So manipulator or function specially designed to use of two operator. One is the intersection, another one is the extraction. What is the two operator? Intersection and extraction operator. So C++ offers several input and output manipulator for the formatting commonly used manipulator. What does that all mean? Endl, set width, set fill and set precision and set font. Once again set endl, set width, set fill, set precision and set f. In order to use up this manipulator you should include the apparatus file where you want to include the header file. So endl manipulator is a member of iostream header file. Which is the member of that iostream header file? Endl. So another one set width, set fill, set precision and set manipulator member of the IO manipulator header file. So we are using the program. You used another one header file is the IO manipulator. Understood? Hash intro IO manipulator you are using only. We getting the in using of the manipulator set width, set fill, set precision and set f will be accepted. Otherwise you won't accept that in your program. First the endl. Endl means end the line. So endl is used to the line feeder of C++. It can be used to an alternate of the slash line. So in order the word endl insert the new line then makes the cursor to point the beginning of the next line. So one line will be over mean last you are giving the slash line or endl you given mean automatically the cursor will be moved to the next line. They will be taking the variable. So then only we are using the point for endl. So this is the difference between the endl and slash n even though they are perform similar tasks. Endl mean insert a new line and flushes of the buffer. Buffer mean clean. Flushes means another clean. And slash n insert only the new line. So this is the difference between the endl and slash n. So count slash n, the value of number equal number, the value of number equal number end line. Both the statement display the same output only in the program. And set width mean set manipulator set the width of the field assigned for the output. So what is you are doing? Set width manipulator set the width of the field assigned for the output. The field width determine the minimum number of the character to be written in the output. So the field width determine the minimum number of the characters to be written in the output. So the what is the syntax of the set with number of characters? Set with number of character. Here we are using float, basic, DA, HRA, GPS, stacks, cross and env. Character name equal to 30. So enter the basic fee, enter the DA, enter the HRA. So here we are using the set with mean the basic fee within the set between 10. Okay, at 10 point they are allocating the memory. Here they will say the above program every output statement has two set with manipulator. First set with create the filled with the how many spaces they will allocate 25 spaces, and second one we are getting the 10. So they will be allocate the spaces for the 10. So when you represent the value this field, it will show the value within the field from the right to left. So how many data we are getting, that in between only we have able to allocated the spaces for the your what you are getting the value, that value will be allocated. Here the field 2 with 10 paces width. So set with 25 the basic way, filled with the 25 face width, and data is accumulated. And set with basic is new line modifier. So here accumulated with the set within 10 space they will allocated the data. Here this is the basic pay, and then how many spaces they allocated, 25 spaces. Here we are allocated, we are using 10, so allocated to 10 spaces and allocated for the your what is the data you getting, that data will be allocated in your program. And set field, this manipulator usually used after the set width, where you are using after the set width. If we present the value does not entirely fill in the given width, then the specified character in the set field argument is used to filling the empty field. So set field character, so Cout HRA set with 100, set field 0 HR. So empty spaces they allocated will be a 0. So here will be another, we are allocating set with a 10. So here HRA we are enter mean remaining spaces they will be filled with the 0. That is the space will be a closed, fully occupied. There only we are using the option of the manipulator set fill. And next is the set precision. Here we are using the precision, already you know the decimal point. So this is used to display the numbers with the fraction in specific number of the digits. So what is the syntax? Set precision number of digits. Here example they given, include IO stream hash include IO manipulator. Already I said we are using the set field set with set precision set f mean we use the header file is the include hash include IO manipulator. Then only they able to working with the your manipulation operation in your program. So here another float HRA, what they will be 1200.123. Here use set precision 5. So the values they have selected, 4 is the integer value. After another one value they getting from the after the decimal point, the precision value they get from. So totally the output will display 1200.1. So how many you are filled with the 5. So they will be selected this format. And next is the expression. And next is the set precision print the values left to right for the both above code. First it will be take the 4 digit, then the print the 1 digit from the fraction 4. Set precision also can be used set the number of decimal place to be displayed. In the order of the dista you can use setters IOSO flag within the set F is the manipulator. Set of flag. This is may be used in two form. One is the fixed form, another one is the scientific form. So this two form used when the keyword fixed or scientific apparently used before the set precision manipulator. So Cout set F IOS in fixed. So in the above program the flag is set the fixed time. It print the floating point number in the fixed number. So the output, what is the output will be 0.1 is there. So they will be fixed 0.10. And another one scientific format mean 1 point, you know the scientific calculator, that format they will be display the output. Next is the expression, and expression is the combination of the operator constant and variable arranged as the further rule of C++. It may also include function calls with the return values. So as some of the expression, constant expression, integer expression, floating point expression, relational expression, logical expression, bitwise expression, pointer expression. And constant expression consists of only another constant value. Constant means whole number. And integer expression means it's not whole number ma. This is another. You want to change. You are getting the value from in between from the main function. That whole value want to change. Before executed, the value want to able to change the constant expression. And integer means it is the whole number, the combination of the integer and character value and or of variables with a simple arithmetic operator produce the integer result. And float means area, we are getting the pi value means definitely it will come another, what is that, decimal point. So then we here the combination of floating point values and or variable with a simple arithmetic operation to produce the floating point result. And relational expression, the combination of the values and or variable is a relational operator. They will be another checking the relation. A plus B double equal to C plus D. A greater than Y and B greater than Y, B A less than Y. So this combination, relation, expression we are checking. And logical in the combination of value and or variable with the logical operator to produce then the bool values as the result. True or false. Bool values means true. One value, 1 means we get the true, 0 means the value will be a false. And bitwise expression, values and or variable bitwise operation. We are extractor, intersection and extractor we are learned, that is form. And pointer mean they will point the particular value. Here we are using the symbol is pointer, we are using the symbol is multiplication symbol star. Next is the type conversion, the process converting the one fundamental type to another one fundamental type to another fundamental is called the type conversion. So this is the two type is the implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion. What is the implicit and explicit? And implicit type conversion, in conversion perform the compiler automatically. So implicit conversion is called automatic conversion. So then it will be automatically compiler will be converted the thing. So this is type conversion applies usually wherever different data types are intermediate in the expression. The type of operands is different. The compiler converted one or more to match the other. So using the rule that the smaller type is converted to wider type. How they converted? Smaller type means they converted to wider type, which is called the type promotion. What is the name is called? Type promotion. Here integer a equal to 6, float b equal to 3.1. Both you add a plus b. The above program apprend a is an input type and b is the float type. First is the integer type. Integer means whole number and float means this is another decimal point they will be. During the execution of the program, they converted into the float because the both will be added mean definitely will come the float formation. So it is automatically converted to what is the format? Integer will be converted to floating form. So this is the tabular column, just you have learned what is that. An explicit type conversion, this is the conversion variable expression for one data type to another specific data type to the programmer. So explicit, they converted another one data type to another one data type. This is called the typecasting. So what is the syntax? Type name expression, where the type name is valid C++ data type to which the conversion to be performed. For example, here float variable of 78.685. So integer variable, you want to convert an integer. What is the value? Will get that the floating point variable. If you want to convert it, it is converted to the integer format. So you get the output 78 format. Whole number you want to get 78. Only another fraction. Want to take the decimal point only another whole part only they taken to the output. So the above program variable f is declared the float, which is the initial value 78.685. The value of variable float is explicitly converted to the integer type in the cout statement. So the final output, what is the value? 78. So here there will be some of the explicit conversion and double to float, loss of the precision. So if the original value is out of range of the target type, the result become undefined will become. Float to integer mean loss of fractional part. Which part will be our loss? Fractional part. And double to float means the loss of the precision part. You know the precision means you know very well. And next is the long to short mean losses of all the data. So up to this part you have read. I hope you all understood. Thank you, student.